Hey gang, I thought it would be great to shoot a quick video of how to use the Mastering Compass AI coach because I think number one, not a lot of people realize that it's here available for everyone to use. Number two, it's a little bit tricky, and so I thought I'd show you two ways to get to the AI coach. First way is if you click on search, if you start typing in like, how do I, you're gonna get this prompt. And so you can simply, rather than finish there, if you click this, it's going to take you to a prompt and it's going to take this sentence. So if you just click this, it's going to take that how do I and it's going to give you this. I've seen a lot of people do this. So if you're going to use this method, you want to, instead of doing it that way, you'll want to go ahead and complete your full question up here. Like, how do I print a form? And then you can click Ask Mastering Compass AI Coach. It'll tell you there, it'll give you the answer, and that kind of a thing. So that's one way to do it. Second way, which is the way I tend to use this more often, is I'll come over and in the chat bubble up here in the upper right, highlight Agents, and then click plus. And the reason why I like this is because it brings you right here and it lets you start a new conversation. This is also important if you're not used to using AI agents, something like ChatGPT or whatever the other ones are. You have to get into this idea that each one of these is a separate conversation. Imagine you and I are talking about desktop settings, and in the middle of my desktop settings, I just ask you something about web. I'm probably not going to pick up that we switched topics. So think about these as different conversations that are happening. So like in this particular conversation, I was asking it to help me truncate a loan number because I'd forgotten how to use the Visual Basic for write, right? So it helped me build that. In here, I wanted to understand a little bit better on what it knew about how to disable ping ID and that kind of a thing. Over here is the one I just did where it showed me how to print. Told me how to remind myself how to print a form. So naturally, that's the way it works. You can always over here, you can start a new conversation over here as well. And then again, this is this new conversation. So that's the way it works real simply. Again, you can use the search tool up here and then type out the full sentence and then select the agent. You can go over here and select direct and make sure you select agents and then click the plus symbol up here. Hopefully that's been helpful for you. Thanks everybody for making Mastering Compass the best. Always let me know what I can do to make it better. We'll see you.